Alright, here's the armrest. I've taken them all and glass beaded them and cleaned them all up, and I'm going to put them into an epoxy sealer, and then I'm going to apply all the foam to them and mount them onto the panels that we have. Alright, I put them all into an epoxy, so they're all sealed up, they won't rust again. And now I'm ready to put everything on. So I even did up the little handles and everything, so they're all ready to, these get painted. But that's what they are. Getting ready to lay out and start putting the foam on. Alright, just let you see the next step of the process. This has all been glued on. It's fitting real well. It's a nice firm rubber. And then the next stage is covering that and blending that in. All that's glued on. It'll fit real well. It'll get hooked on the door pad. And then the next stage will be sewing all the vinyl with the next set of soft memory foam. Alright. Alright, there's in focus real good. Alright, well there's one of the rear door panels. Everything's been laid out on it. I figured I'd better quick show it to you before I put it away and get ready to wrap it all in vinyl and get everything sewed up on it. So it's been fitted. It was all put on back onto the car. These strips were added in to give reinforcement for the nails. This piece is added in to clip on the bottom. All those been completed and everything's ready to go. And we'll show it to you at another date. And that's just the stainless strip just sitting on there so you can see it. And let me move this out of the way real quick. Alright, here we have one of the seat bottoms. I'll really quick show it to you before we get it all cleaned up. But right here we're putting a 1/2-inch sheet of density foam on. And then here we've glued a 1/2-inch sheet of density foam to a 1-inch sheet of foam. That's going to be glued to this other sheet and placed on here. And that'll all be wrapped around it. Let me show you real quick. This is one of the back seats, and it's all been wrapped up, and it's ready to put in vinyl now. Turned out real good. Now that's a piece of 1/2-inch, a piece of 1-inch, and a piece of 1/2-inch. And it gives you a real nice, deep, thick. That'll build really nice and stiff for her.
I like it. It's nice and firm. Should support a very good ride in the car. And firmness will provide a long-lasting time. And this is the Buick seats. And I like it. Nice and firm. Alright. Well, on to the next one, and this is another one of the Buick seats that we're going to do. This is the third one. And the other two are back here, as you can see. What do you say, 5? Alright. On to the next one. So we'll get some foam and get her done.
Alright, you can see right here the windlace going in. It doesn't look like very much, but it's, believe it or not, very time consuming. Getting it in, getting it stretched, getting it accurate. The other side's all going in. Oh man, my focus. Yeah. Oh, wrong way. There's no focus at all. Oh, that's better. Alright, let's start over. See, there you go, Charlie, with the white gloves on, because you'll stain anything. Yeah. Watch out, there's glue on that black piece beside you, that one's sticking out. Yeah. Putting all the tack strips back in, get all the other ones were in. We just had a couple that didn't get finished from Bob putting them in. He ended up going on vacation on us. Dikes. There's scissors there. There's spare dikes. Well, here I've put the templates in, both of the little kick panels, and what I did is took the paper template and stapled it onto a piece of cardboard to give me some backing, a little bit more to work with, and I did some shaping and added into places and took away in other places, and I have a real nice shape. Here's the driver's side. Let's see, hold on. Oh, I can't focus this camera for nothing. I keep forgetting to grab my glasses. Anyway, there's that panel. I'll show it to you as I get it done when you can see it in a little bit more focus. I'll cut out the pieces now in a black density cardboard. This is just a regular piece off of a cardboard pallet that we have in. And then I'll show you, and that'll be made out of the permanent, so be all fitted and ready to put on. And that'll be the end piece right there. What that is a density piece of cardboard, really. That's an interior cardboard piece. It'll flex and bend up into the shapes and the angles that you're going to need. And then I'm going to cover that. Alright, and here's the other side made. And I'll pull it out in a little bit and let you see it, but alright, right here real quick, I'm just going to show you. We're just going to take a little bit of regular, spray can, little polyurethane clear coat, and we're going to seal up this cardboard. This is a nice density board. You can see what it is. And we're just going to seal it up so it's all sealed up from the weather or anything, humidity, moisture. It's going to help it out a lot for long term.